Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell how to solve this type of problem. This is case-based question, and here the problem is Lavanya throws a ball upwards from a rooftop which is 20 meters above the ground. It will reach a maximum height and then fall back to the ground. The height of the ball from the ground at time t is h, which is given by h is equal to minus 40 square plus 16t plus 20. So here Lavanya throws a ball upwards from a rooftop which is 20 meters from the ground. See here, this is 20 meters from the ground and it will reach a maximum height. The ball reaches at maximum height. This is h. And here the time taken and height, the relation between time taken and the height is h is equal to minus 40 square plus 16t plus 20. So here some questions are given, we have to find, and some options also given, we have to find which option is correct. The first question is, what is the height reached by the ball after 1 second? So here t is equal to, if t is equal to 1 second, then h is equal to, substitute t value in this equation, then minus 4 into 1 square plus 16 into 1 plus 20, that is 32 meters. So here option C is 32 meters. So answer here is C. This is second question. What is the maximum height reached by the ball? So here we have to find the maximum height, and it is like a parabola, and the equation here is ax square plus bx plus c. If you compare this equation, h is equal to minus 40 square plus 16t plus 20 with ax square plus bx plus c. This is y is equal to x square plus bx plus c. Then the parabola vertex here, these coordinates are xy. If you assume as xy, then here x coordinate is minus b by 2a. For this parabola, the x coordinate here, this x coordinate is minus b by 2a. So if you compare with this equation, here b is 16 and minus b is minus 16 by 2 into a. Here a is minus 4. So 2 into minus 4, that is minus 8. So minus 16 by minus 8 is 2. So here x coordinate value is 2. So here x coordinate is t and y coordinate is h. So t is equal to 2. Now substitute this 2 value in the equation, h is equal to minus 40 square plus 16t plus 20. Then you will get 36. So here the x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 36. That means t is 2 and h is 36. So maximum height is equal to 36 meters in 2 seconds. So here the answer is C, that is 36 meters. Third question is, how long will the ball take to hit the ground? So here you have to find the time taken for the ball. See here, how long will the time taken to hit the ground? The ball, the time taken for the ball to hit the ground. So that means if it hits the ground, then how much time it takes. So you have to find the time here. If it hits the ground means h is equal to 0, height is equal to 0 because it reaches at this point. So height is equal to 0. If you substitute h is equal to 0 in this equation, then you will get minus 40 square plus 16t plus 20 is equal to 0. If you divide this equation with minus 4, then you will get t square minus 40 minus 5 is equal to 0. Then factorize this equation, you will get t is equal to 5 or t is equal to minus 1. But time is not in negative form, so you have to take t is equal to 5 seconds. So here answer is C, that is 5 seconds. Our next question is, what are the two possible times to reach the ball at the same height of 32 meters? So here h is equal to 32 is given. You have to find the two possible times, t value you have to find. So substitute h as 32 in this equation, then factorize, you will get t is equal to 3 or t is equal to 1. Both are positive, so you can take t is equal to 3 seconds or t is equal to 1 second. That is 1 and 3, that is A, option A. So here answer is A. See here, this is the answer. And next question is, where is the ball after 5 seconds? So after 5 seconds, we have to find the ball position. So if t is equal to 5 seconds, substitute 5 in this equation, you will get h is equal to 0. That means here at the ground, if the ball reaches at the ground, again it rebounds. So the option here is B. And you can see from this figure, see here, after 1 second, the height is 32 meters. See, in the first question, the height is 32 meters after 1 second. So after 1 second, the height is 32 meters. Maximum height is 36 meters. And after 3 seconds, again, the height is 32 meters. From the fourth question, you can find out two possible times at the same height. That is 32 meters after 1 second, it is 32 meters. Again, at 3 seconds, it is 32 meters. And at h is equal to 0, that means after 5 seconds, ball hits the ground and again it rebounds. See here, this is the fifth question.